So we've got the property at Garoke and one here at Quambatook in the Mallee. The grizzly disc, it only stays up here at Quambatook in the Mallee. Yeah, we don't use it back at Garoke. It's a Field Boss 108 plate. It's good in the hard to kill summer weeds like fleabane and scallow weed, any of those that don't want to die, heliotrope. But yeah, where it fits into our operation, well, I guess it's a selective tool just to have in the shed. You never know when you'll need it because every year's different, but you will always use it, that's for sure, wherever we need it. Yeah, I guess just knocking hard country into shape, but probably just tidying up with it's the best thing. Like it just squares everything off, ready to sow into. This is probably the best thing we've found with it. Yeah, they've been really good up at Grizzly. Anything to improve it, they wanted to know about. And yeah, any breakdowns, their service is red hot. You can put it in some pretty harsh conditions and it still works. We've had it going in some pretty wet conditions, which you're not meant to do, but we sort of had to, and it did its job. Yeah, I think like anything, if they're set up right, they won't be an issue. We've had it tilted too far forward or back sometimes, so you'll leave a bit of a bank in the middle or it'll be scalloped out, but that's just a matter of adjusting the tilt on it, which you do from the cab, so it's all just comes down to operator. But the finish we've found is really good with them.